Okay, the second part of the chapter talks about standards and ethics. So, the main idea is that standards, values, and ethics are foundations of your character. They help guide your behavior, and ethical choices are based upon what is fair and right. So, building character, setting your standards. Setting personal standards involves having rules or principles to guide your behavior. Proactive people take the initiative on thinking ahead and taking control. Personal standards help you make choices on your own and without peer pressure. Values guide your standards. And again, your personal standard is a rule or principle you set for yourself. Proactive is taking the initiative to think and plan ahead for situations. It's like being the driver on the road of life. How do you set your standards? Well, follow society's rules, learn from others, and know what you value. Many issues are not so clear-cut, so it's important to stay true to what you do value. Think about this. What situations tend to put your values in conflict with others? When do you feel uncomfortable about what you think people expect of you? When do you feel pressured into doing things? As you develop your personal standards, you will need to be prepared to keep, defend, adjust, and strengthen your values. Some guidelines to follow. Basically, use good judgment and discretion. Good judgment and sensitivity needed to avoid embarrassing or upsetting others and to keep sensitive information private. So, not being a gossip girl. Be cautious and consider how your personal standards apply to the issues. Use clear, logical reasoning. Again, many issues are not clear-cut, so it's important to stay true to your values. When we look at how do we know what to follow, basically we should follow the rules of society, which is basically rules and laws that are out there. Learn from others. Look at mistakes and successes of others. Talk to positive adult role models. Know what you value. Think about what is truly important to yourself now and in the future. So values can sometimes be confusing. When we talk about conflicts, people talking about pro-life or pro-choice, which president should they support? Immigration, all of those things, religion, it can sometimes cause conflict. You need to learn and educate yourself to make choices based upon logic and reason. And learn to respectfully agree to disagree. So, making ethical choices. Basically, ethics are the principles and values that guide the way you live. Do you see how these all go in together? They all comprise to make up your character. So when we talk about planning and knowing your standards can help you react appropriately in difficult situations. Ethics can help you make decisions based upon what's fair, right, just, caring, and best for all that's involved, not just yourself. So your values, standards, and ethics develop as you mature, and they provide a good framework that will help you make good choices now and in the future.